Hey folks, welcome to the Waldo World. This is Waldo. Today we're making a coiled straw woven paracord bracelet. This bracelet is basically one large barrel knot. So if you've ever made a barrel knot, this is it. We need only a paracord, a drinking straw, maybe a lighter or a candle to singe the ends, and scissors. So to begin with, we have our paracord. And I like to just throw it to the side, and let's start this way. I'm going to do enough for the tail, one side, and then just on the other side, just start wrapping. I'm letting this just drape over the side of my desk so it unravels as it needs to. Once in a while, pull out the kinks, and try to keep this strand here as straight as you can. It'll help you in the end. So towards the end, I'm going to roll. Now this is not long enough for my wrist, just so you know. But we're going to take care of that with the closure. So we want to take like 9 inches and some extra here, because and I always like more than we need, so we're going to do here. Later on we'll cinch that. So we're going to take this. And if you need to, you can cinch this side. Sometimes it will go in easier, but sometimes you can just push it right through. And while you got both ends here, roll some of this. Because later on it'll be kind of loose and it'll be more difficult. And take this out. Okay, and then we've got one coil. Slowly pull it through. Okay folks, I did have to cinch these sides. Just use the lighter, burn those off. You're going to notice the longer side here, and this is how we are going to do a barrel knot on this. I also went and rolled these to adjust these, and then gently pulled them through so it would look a little better, aesthetics. So now all we need is our straw. And actually, let me do it this way. And just going to start rolling over both of them. Actually, let me pull a little closer here. I wanted it closer over here, so. Okay, now pull your straw a little closer in so you don't have to push it so far. You don't have to push it all the way through. Just enough so it comes to this other side and you can feel it. a little more. And now I can catch it. Pull it through. Now you can adjust a little. Pull it through. See? And then you can shut it off. Also, you can tie these ends. And there you go. A coiled straw woven paracord bracelet. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, like it. Why not subscribe? Ring the bell, tell a friend. Bye bye.